guys, welcome back to J&J's Garage. And if you haven't seen my other video, I am putting a motorcycle engine in this MG right here. And yeah, we're going to be knocking some stuff off the list in this video. We're going to be hooking up the clutch. We're going to be doing some shifter stuff. We're going to be installing a battery, making a place for that. I'm not sure, maybe do some exhaust work. We'll just kind of see how it all goes. Starting to get cold here, but we're going to keep working on this car, even if it is chilly outside. But yeah, let's get started, and hope you enjoy the video. Alright guys, so the reason I'm tearing the dash and everything out, I'm just trying to clean it up a bit. Trying to get all these wires out so I can start fresh. And yeah, just get rid of all the unnecessary stuff. Plus get a little bit more weight out, so that's the reason for that. Alright guys, sorry about the wind, but it's a beautiful day, just really windy. Got the dash all cleaned up. And got all the wires and everything taken out. We are about ready to put the dash back in, and yeah, just keep on rolling along. Alright guys, so I got my clutch hose made. I got a banjo fitting on the motorcycle end. It goes back into here to the original car clutch master cylinder, whatever that's called. It's like a brake line style fitting. Now I think this is going to work. The only thing I might have to do is put like a stop under the clutch pedal in case the original car clutch cylinder is too powerful. I don't want to be blowing seals and stuff out on the motorcycle clutch side. So yeah, other than that, I think it's going to work. Now for the exhaust, as you can see back in there, it is really tight. And I really want to run it out of the hood, but my other option would be to run it out of the side fender right here. But then the frame's going to be in the way there as well. So probably going to be running it out of the hood at this point. As you can see, this is a stock exhaust and there's just no way it's going to fit. So my plans are is to just get some pipe and do some pie cuts and just kind of make my own design. And yeah, I think that's what we're going to do. So yeah, let's get started. I am going to be using these original flanges. So I'm probably just going to be cutting the pipe off somewhere right here so that we'll have something to weld to, just like I did with the first one right there. Alright guys, so I got 4 header pipes made. It took me quite a while. I didn't really video the whole process just because it would have got boring. But got all these made, just tack welded. I'm going to take them to one of my friends and let him finish welding them up for me. And yeah, they should be good to go then. And got me a hole cut in my hood. And yeah, it's coming right along. Alright, so I got me a shifter finally made. It took me a while to get all the linkages and all that stuff figured out. It was kind of confusing. But yeah, I think I got it. It should work pretty well, and I'll show you how it works. So I made me a shifter, and I got these 2 heim joints right here so that my shifter can swivel on there. Then I got some rods and linkages underneath, which I will show you in just a little bit. But yeah, it's going to be first, it's going to be forward, and then the rest is going to be back. So this should be 2nd gear, 3rd gear, and so on. Alright, I'm just going to do a quick little rundown of everything we got done in this video. And yeah, so we got the exhaust done. Just got to get it finished welded up. Got the hole cut in the hood. And I'll show you guys what it looks like. I think it'll look pretty cool. And it should sound pretty good as well. So yeah, got that done. Got the clutch hose, got that all figured out, got that made. Got the shifter, all the linkages done. Got the got a coolant overflow tank hooked up. Now I will be pulling the engine out and I'll be painting everything up real nice, so don't worry about that. But I'm still trying to figure out a place for my battery. I'm thinking right there, but I might have to cut it out so it can drop down in because the hood's wanting to hit. So still figuring that out. But yeah, I got the shifter and all that stuff made. Also got me this little, I got me a key switch in here, starter button, fuel pump switch, and a fan switch. I have to wire all that stuff up. And of course got the fuel pump back here. Yeah, I think it's coming along pretty good. I'm excited to get it running. Can't wait to hear what it sounds like with the 4 pipes, one on each cylinder. That should be pretty cool. But yeah, that's going to have to do for this video. Hope you all enjoyed, and thanks for watching.